Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will tell you about the my external microphone. Probably you people use microphone for live streaming or recording and blog type video for this. So I decided to use the microphone for my live streaming in gaming or doing voiceover in some games. But you can see, if you are like me, I bought the new JBL microphone. But if you don't know, if you use the earpiece, if you use the microphone, like I have ROG 3 and I don't have any audio jack, so I have to use a dongle, an adapter. So the real problem starts now. Suppose you are doing a gaming video or gaming, you can't hear the audio, right? Like suppose you are okay, first let me open a game. Okay, you can see the game is opening. And at the same time you can hear the game sound. Right, you can hear the game sound. But if you plug the microphone in, you can't hear any sound, right? Guys, and I searched for this on YouTube and I can't find any solution for it. So I decided to solve it myself. You can see, so it's an problem number 1. And for problem 2, it's like, can you connect, and it's like you can use your microphone, but at the same time you can hear the sound of your game sound or any media sound of your device. Using your device sound at the same time the microphone, you can hear it. And second thing, can you use an headset, or headphone like this, and use the external microphone at the same time, or use a Bluetooth headset and at the same time the microphone. So yes, it is possible, and today I will tell you how to do it. Okay guys, so for doing it there is 2 process. One is for Android 11, which is my ROG, or if you have an Android 10, then there you will be needed an app, but unfortunately the app is not supported in my ROG. So I think Android 11 has an internal feature for it. I will show you how to do it. Okay, before it, let me show you what if I record. My most view is concerned about the gaming video, how to record it with an external microphone for better audio quality. So, and guys, one more thing, if you try to record a video, check it before that in your setting it's okay. In setting, its recorded audio mode is in microphone. Okay, now let's go. First let's check the microphone. is working. I just blow in front of the microphone, or I have to speak. It is working. So let's check it out. Normally you can't hear the sound. Okay. Testing with external microphone 1. Okay, first let's see the audio quality. Testing with external microphone 1. Testing with external microphone 1. So voice quality was good. The next thing is about if you try to do a voiceover after recording a video. This is more like if you are using a KineMaster. Suppose at the time if you decided to let's see what recording I have. Okay, suppose let's choose this one. You only can hear the sound, but suppose if you think that you will do a voiceover in this video, like here, hey guys, welcome to my channel. So if you want to hear the audio, we have to unplug it and then hear it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. See, so first let's fix it and let me show you how to do it. And guys, for this you will be needed, because I can't able to do it on a speaker. I'll be needed an wired Bluetooth headphone, because I don't have any wired earpin. Okay, let me first connect to my Bluetooth headphone. Okay, now it got connected. So first let's check. So first let's connect the earpiece and see, I can hear the sound. Yeah, I can't hear no sound. You can see my headset is connected, but audio output is going to this microphone. So first fix it. So for that, use any audio player, only one. For me, I have this inbuilt one. Just play any audio from here. You will see the icon, it's in new update. I see. From here, select it to your Bluetooth headset. Done. Next job is on record. Then test your microphone is turned it on or not. Okay, I am speaking now in my microphone. Hey guys, you can see audio is going through this microphone. Okay, now time for the testing. Okay, now I can hear the voice. Okay, can you hear my voice? I am trying to put it in my earpiece. You can see my Bluetooth headset is not connected. And also my external microphone is on. And I can hear the audio very loud and clear. Okay, let's record one. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, let's hear it now. Okay, one. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So one more thing to mention about the audio quality. Look, I did not enhance any audio. At the same time, normally in this type of audio, I have to reduce the recorded video sound quality, or I have to enhance the audio quality. You know about this one. I did not use mixer this time, so you can see my microphone and the device and my Bluetooth headphone working at the same time. Okay, now time for testing with the screen recording. You can see my Bluetooth headphone is connected, and let me I'm trying to take close to the microphone. Let me know if you can hear the sound, but trust me, audio is coming through the Bluetooth headset. Okay, now time for the screen recording at the same time. Mine. Okay, where is the earpiece? Hey guys, so now I am recording through my Bluetooth headset in ROG 3 with external microphone on. Okay, now let's test it. Hey guys, so now I am recording through my Bluetooth headset in ROG 3. You can see with external microphone on. Hey guys, so now I am recording through my Bluetooth headset in ROG 3 with external microphone on. My audio is on. At the same time, game sound is coming. Okay guys, for my game sound currently it's for live streaming. I use this setting it very low. If I do it loud, the game sound will be very loud. So you can change the setting if you want. So you can see this trick is working. And guys, for the live streaming the process is same, and use the Omelette Orchid, and there you can adjust your microphone and also the internal sound. So use this. I tested it in these two live stream. You can check it there. Okay, can you hear my sound now? Okay guys, so that's it for today. I don't want to stress the video more, it is already becoming so long. So in next video I will explain how to do this with like mobile speaker and external microphone, headphone and microphone, and Bluetooth headset and microphone. So stay tuned for my next video.